Sí. Vamos a ver. Sí. Es el piloto.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of this flight crew, Southwest Airlines, welcome to San Francisco. We finally made it. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until Batman and Robin brings the aircraft to a full and complete stop and arrives at the gate. When the captain does turn off the fasten seatbelt sign, be careful and open those overhead bins. Shift does happen. I may have shifted if you don't want a headache courtesy of Southwest Airlines. We certainly don't want to do the paperwork here in San Francisco. If you're connecting to another Southwest flight, check the TV monitor in the terminal for your flight and gate number. You can use cell phones and pagers now, but cannot get out of your seat, unbuckle your seatbelts, or remove your carry-ons to retrieve them. If you are connected to another Southwest flight, once again, check the TV monitor in the terminal for your flight gate number. Next time you're traveling, visit Southwest.com, where you can check in online, get great low fares on flights, car rentals, hotels, complete vacation packages, even cruises. If this is your final destination, buckle up, be safe, come back and see us again real soon. We certainly have enjoyed sharing our part of our day with you. You know, we have many, many choices in air travel. We thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. And remember, we love you, you love us. We're much faster than the bus. We hope you enjoyed our hospitality. Marry one of us and you'll fly free. Hey, it's much cheaper to buy the ticket. Welcome to San Francisco. Go Raiders.